Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 8th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, the FDA accepted Novo Nordisk's resubmitted marketing applications for the long-acting insulins Tresiba and Ryzodeg. The company recently indicated it would include data from an interim analysis of the DEVOTE cardiovascular outcomes trial as part of its filings. Also featured, the European Commission approved Roches Avastin for the treatment of adults with persistent, recurrent or metastatic carcinoma of the cervix. Roche's Chief Medical Officer Sandra Horning remarked, "We are pleased that women in Europe now have a much-needed new treatment option that is proven to help them live longer lives compared to chemotherapy alone." In other news, the FDA granted breakthrough therapy status to Merck Co's single-tablet regimen combining grazoprevir and elbasvir for certain patients with hepatitis C. The designation is for the treatment of chronic genotype 4 infection and for the treatment of chronic genotype 1 infection in patients with end-stage renal disease on hemodialysis. In addition, AstraZeneca selected a compound for clinical development for non-alcoholic steatohepatitis as part of a collaboration with Regulus Therapeutics. The companies plan to initiate a phase 1 study of RG125, also known as AZD4076, by the end of 2015. And finally, Roche closed a transaction to acquire a majority interest in Foundation Medicine. Roche purchased around 15.6 million Foundation Medicine shares via a tender offer at $50 a share and also invested $250 million. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.